Ai. Qatigismilassan tigilluatsi.
It takes two.
Kamaraaqlumas pilliaallartinneqiaavoqasit. Ai pua so.
Up.
Fuck.
Så jeg ret slået der.
Narulluqunalunaqunanna. Tuqumissinaasuqumaqqa. Ai.
Der skrev jeg.
Au.
Og der TikTok køkkenlejen for sin mor.
There are no relationships without challenges. Challenges make you grow.
What is it with you? Can't you just leave us alone?
Well, when you're willing to face a challenge, you always learn something new. So remember, when you hear this sound, follow it. Keep following it, and you will find the challenge you seek. Welcome to your first couples challenge. Win or lose, you must do it together.
Well, I guess we're gonna have to. All right, you want to give it a try?
We haven't got time for this.
Oh, you afraid of losing?
Me? Huh, no way. Bring it on.
Oh, I'm gonna bring it.
Awkwardnya. Okay.
I'm sending you home packing, Cody.
Kavita.
Too slow.
Ai.
Bingo.
No.
Ai. No. Mickey kaje. Suka gisan.
Hey. Oh.
Mickey. Khói đất người sẽ xuống nữa rồi. Ai.
Nabbed it.
Ai.
Yes.
Ai. Ja. You go.
I'm too fast for you.
I'll beat you next time.
Nah, orang.
Ah, the sweet sounds of machinery. There's nothing better.
Nyt sanglius. Panona. 오늘 술 누가 쏘나?
Hold on tight.
Java 만약 설수리에 싹쓸 것. 수리
There's
쓰도.
another machine in the way here, Cody.
Oh.
비건이 비.
ผมmặc vừa nữa.
아잉 독하니응. Some reason.
Betul ya.
Aku ceking. Nope, menang. Kisim bisun. Mana sudah? Inasakoy. Naroa sudah.
What the heck is that thing?
Looks like there's a switch for hammer in the middle.
Şuna ona. Ducks. Got ducks. Okay.
My nails are better than your hammer.
You wish.
Just you watch.
Tabii eder kırılır. Oh.
Bullseye. Bingo.
Ay.
Ay.
İgacık. İgacık. İgacık. İgacık. Ay.
Alrighty. So easy on me.
Ayun out. So
Damn
na.
it.
Sorry, Hammer.
Ah, pinguatan. Ilik ka nga.
Ay. Đó. Ủa đừng nhau non.
Boom. Ko na yaksan na yaksan sinang gila nga. Posok chitin yata sutil.
Yeah. Just get to jumping.
Ano?
Wang na yaksan siya nga. Tawag pinatok siya. Isi posok chitin naman dati. Tuman dito dako. Una yaksan to. Akan tok kaniya kasi.
Ano? Ah.
Tawag to siya na yaksan kayo siya nga. 야, 고라는 비본 거니 기기. 낑깡.
Nice one.
No.
đâu phải học sơ.
Yay.
Roll slide.
오. 잠깐만. 아. 아쭈.
One more nail. Pull it out.
Heads up, Cody.
Rồi.
네가 준 건 뭐?
Got it.
Ồ, ồ.
That makes 3.
누나?
Fighting saw blades? Really?
아.
Gonna need a boost, babe. Look at him fly.
예.
Oh, great. Another trust
Yeah.
exercise.
What?
Wala.
You think I'm gonna miss?
I hope not.
엄마 박스. 박스.
Kaya hết.
박스. Una ingat.
Ê. Ốp, ốp. Una hả?
Da apa?
Ồ.
Da komak siya nga sa tinda to siya.
Nè. Hết.
Up. Dati ko purpose.
Ấy.
Up. Yeah! Ike! In. Holding it. In 3. Ay.
À, ốp.
No, nainga at tawil kak mo.
À, ốp. Una.
Da ko rin nito.
Hết.
Jo. Sa Manila. Daba, labas yun.
You know, you two have pretty good teamwork.
Don't know about that.
Thanks.
Nana boyo rin.
There's the toolbox. Both of you, come on. Help me break it open.
Ay!
All right,
Toolbox
mate.
eh.
Bring the hammer over here.
Natakatak.
I don't think it like that. Get up, hurry! It's getting away. We have to catch it.
Oh, let's get that grimy toolbox.
Ako rin.
Hang in there, tool buddies. We're coming to save you.
Tiri-ti-ti. Okay.
Toolbox, stop playing hide and catch.
Ngon rồi mất. À.
Ow.
You'll never. Head.
Ai.
That got it.
Đi sao? Ngon rồi mất. À.
Ai.
Checkpoint.
No.
Trying, but you're a bit heavy-handed.
À. Miss. Saan luka kaya? Saan luka kaya?
Hey, what's so still?
Sabagli.
Đi sao? Ay,
La.
no, con shoot. Ya, pin. Ayun na.
Ay.
Ayun na. Get top dito nga. Tang. Ay. Tokada.
Good one, Cody.
Company. Ai. Jiminato. Docker yang siap.
No.
Ay, natin ko.
Got him, May.
Good. Now get me to the other side.
You're going down, Toolbox.
Okay. Ai, Jiminato. Ano?
Toolbox is crazy.
Yeah. Next time I'm buying a smaller one.
Wow.
No kidding.
Kavin yapta mıkkadamam Kavi sabtu. Sunangot? Ah.
Heads up.
No.
We're gonna crack you open.
Shota asate shop kita ikon. Tama to catching karo.
Oh, that's gotta hurt.
No. Tama nisti.
Wait.
Nangona.
No.
Kaya siya na.
Can we talk about this, Toolbox?
We're long past negotiating, Cody.
Ow. Kaba, one kaswa ka.
Hit the spray can. Good
Ay.
arm there, Cody.
Au. Pinasok akong yan.
Parapapapapapa. Tawag
Ito.
mo.
Oo.
Grabe. Natatak.
No.
Okay. Kaya ko siya. Tapos? Mabigat to. Ang bagat. Tapos? Hata! Naparakatsi? Nagkas... Nagtandas.
Brody, hop on and finish off that spray can!
Hey, look at them.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yes, I'm ready. I'm so ready for this. Ooh, it tickles. It tickles.
Paano
There you
mo
go.
lagot?
Thank you. Woohoo! I feel brand new! Look at me! I'm whole! I'm whole! You saved us from that rust and toolbox! Thank you, May. You are a true hero!
Oh, thank you, Hammer.
Hey, what about me? Huh? I was part of this too. Where's my hero love? Did you see that explosion?
Anyway, we still have to get to Rose.
Oh, of course, of course! Sebastian, can you help him out? They have to get to the other side.
What?
Pinato at saka dami si Bastian.
Step on board.
Really?
Okay, you sure?
Come on, it's safe.
Okay. Ooh.
This doesn't feel safe. I'm not sure.
Just relax.
Okay.
Don't worry, he's very precise. Sebastian, sling it!
Oh no! She's leaving!
Rose, wait! We need your help!
It's us! Mum and Dad! Don't close the door!
Ayos.
Oh, help us out! Rose! Oh, you stupid book!
Oh, you've locked us in, you idiots!
Now we're stuck in here.
Stuckness is a mental construct. If you stare
Yes,
at the
pagkasi
door,
doon,
you
eh.
will miss.
Yeah.
Let's open.
Okay.
FYI, there is only one door in this shed.
And one window.
Good thinking, May! Woo! Let's go to the window. Woo!
Book is out of his mind, okay?
What? Ah. Nako na. Jump.
Oh.
Ah. Jump.
Ow.
Okay. Jump. Jump.
Check out my moves, May.
Yeah, very cool, but just don't fall off!
Hey.
Don't worry.
Okay.
Me too! Woohoo!
Whoa! Fishy shoot.
Ay. Neon.
Naru Misho.
Oh.
We
Okay.
need to time this together.
All right, one more time.
Nako na.
Tungsaga.
Okay, that's cock mo. 3, 2, 1.
Ai.
뭔가 실기락 정말.
또.
Okay. Tugasada kong ito. Suke!
Ai.
Wangan. Suka nom.
I.
Ingasek!
Holy crap!
Focus! Here it comes!
Ukito ka!
Yo.
Tungo?
Oh.
Suke! Coba! Siwa reaktor ginawa ko.
Ai.
Imatet ko siya. Yo.
May, look, it's your old binoculars.
Amazing! Let's find Rose!
Oh, Rose. We need to find her.
Oh, yes, I know we look like dolls, but we're actually her parents.
I know who you are. Nothing escapes my lenses. Look.
What? In here? All right. Okay. Let's see. Oh! I look dead. Am I dead?
You're not dead.
What? What's going on? Oh, no. What's the matter with us?
All I know is that Rose sat down there with her dolls, and then you two came alive.
Just like that? You didn't see anything else?
Well, there was one unusual thing.
Why? What happened?
She was crying.
Oh.
I know, quite unusual for Rose, but I am 100% sure because I could see her tears falling onto the dolls.
Tears were falling onto the dolls. Oh, wait a minute. I know what happened. It's a spell!
Oh, don't be ridiculous, Cody. We've got to apply logic.
May, okay? We are having a conversation with a pair of binoculars. There is no logic in that.
For goodness sake, I don't even believe in spells.
Okay, well, did you believe that you could be turned into a wooden doll? Huh? Exactly. It had to be the tears. It was a spell, I am telling you.
So, if it is a spell, how do we break it?
Okay, I got this. Yeah, me and Rose, we read all about this spell stuff. I'm a virtual wizard right now, okay? Just give me some space, I need to think. Okay, so if the spell was cast through her tears, then in order to break it... Oh. In order to break it, we have to reverse it through her tears! Boom!
Right.
Okay, we basically have to find her and make her cry on us again.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Fine.
Tätä nappaa on langs.
Do you know where to find her, Miss Binoculars?
She's in her room. Go on.
Okay, thanks. Come on, May.
Oh, but how do we get to her room from here?
Easy, we just climbed the tree!
Oh my
This
god,
way.
now it's a spill.
What? You're never gonna make that jump.
Yeah? Watch me. Oh, God damn it! Coming through the birds! Whoa!
Oh.
Come on over! Well, throw us the rope! It's too far!
Cody, where there is love, no distance is too far.
Oh, shut up and just throw us the rope.
Okay, May, relax. Come on, huh? You want the rope? You want the rope? Come on, you want it? You want it? Come on, take it! Woo!
Yes pa kasi. Ipakatang liligkas ako at.
All right, let's swing across.
Yeah, but whoa, that tree is huge.
Don't worry about it. The ropes will take us to Rose in an instant.
머리 약간 중우셨으리 나 중우셨사가 없는 거라 스피드 다음에 깃발을 징.
Again? Oh, I told Rose not to throw her shoes up here.
Oops. I told her I did that when I was a kid.
So you're the guilty
Yaptığım
one.
var ne?
She's outgrown them anyway.
시원하다.
Did you build a tree house for Rose?
No? Why do you ask?
There are windows.
Oh, who could have built those?
시원하다간. 아.
Hey, there's our swing.
Finally, a use for that thing.
Let's get across. Let's get across.
아마 지금 작덕겠다. 시원하다간 좀 가운.
I don't see a way to get to Rose's room yet.
Let's get higher.
뽀삐 비시나 낙드. 비시당 난 낙드.
Bouncy.
아, 오케이.
Woo-hoo! I'm a superhero with a rope.
You're a clay man with a rope.
Yeah, beware the Clayman.
아마도약 봐. 지금 시작도
Look, Cody, a
되고
door.
A door in a tree? I don't like it. We gotta get to Rose's room.
But can't you see how far away it is?
Yes, I can see how far away it is. That's why we gotta keep moving.
Yeah, maybe there's someone inside who can help us.
Really? Whoa, wait, what are you doing? We don't know what's inside there.
Come on, it might be a shortcut to the house.
Yeah, but what if it's not? What if it's...
Who sent you?
No one. We come in peace.
We're trying to get to the house.
The house. What's your business there?
We haven't got time for this. Is this a shortcut or not?
Oh, great. Oh, I told you this was a bad idea.
Not helpful. Come on, help me push. It's too heavy.
Why the glass jar?
Well, at least we can see through it.
Oh, that's great, May. We're imprisoned, but the view is amazing.
Dad? Dad, I have to tell you something. It's important. Have you heard of this book by, Dr. Hakim? He says that it's important to forgive each other. Because then you can become friends again. If you want, you can borrow the book. Okay. You're busy. Sorry.
Baka kasi.
Cody, are you okay?
Yeah, been better, but I'm okay.
Are you working for the Wasps?
What? The wasps?
Don't play dumb. Did they send you here to kill us?
What? Kill you? No.
We're not working for any wasps.
We'll see whose side you're on. Pull a switch.
You got it, Chief. Oh, get away, get away!
look like they're on the Wasps team.
And why don't they die?
Maybe they have superpowers. What if they can help us?
Let's find out. Abort.
Oh, you okay?
Yeah, you?
Yeah, just about.
That was terrible.
Horrendous.
May!
Oh,
Come here.
oh,
Hey!
oh my gosh.
Hey there, Mr. Big Squirrel.
So, you want to get to the house?
Yes.
We can get you there.
Really? That's very, kind.
On one condition.
What do you mean?
Follow me.
May,
Come on.
this is a terrible idea.
Come on, Cody.
Kafka 좀
I
멋있고.
want to go.
Wow, they must be real hoarders.
Hey, mate, that's our remote control. They stole it.
Those sneaky rodents. Look, our family photos. What could they want with those?
I don't know.
Oh, we look good. Hey, that's my underwear.
Hardly a loss.
You used to love that underwear.
Used to.
The Wasps have invaded our tree and wiped out most of our tribe. You two must kill them.
What? We can't kill those crazy creatures. You nuts? No offense.
Don't worry. You'll just survive 2 of them.
Against a whole swarm of them, surely we'll die.
That's why you're going to need these. My latest in cyber hazelnut technology, the Tree Sap Hapshiki 57.
Oh.
Combined with a Drill Bazzer X200.
Boom.
There's one more thing. We sent in an undercover agent to
Mga sniper
operate
ka.
our queen robot.
As planned, the Wasps believed the robot was their real queen. But instead of wiping out the Wasps, our agent was seduced by its power and switched sides.
So, kill the Wasps and the agent in the robot, and we'll help you get to the house. Understood?
Yeah, sure, but isn't there a more civilized way that we can... I really don't want to have to kill giant wasps.
Well, you wouldn't have to if you'd cleaned out the hive.
What? What hive?
Remember? In the real world? In our tree? I asked you so many times and you promised to get rid of it.
Yeah, fine. But we wouldn't even be here if you hadn't knocked on the squirrel's door.
Well, at least they're gonna lead us to the house.
What are you kidding me? You believe that? I don't trust those
Kanskje
squirrels.
kan de
They
måske
stole my
optimere.
underwear.
Oh,
Huh?
believe me, that was a
Kanskje
blessing.
kan de måske optimere.
그래서
Well, at least my underwear is
Ikke
now a
havning.
sophisticated part
Damn.
of a flying machine.
Oh, I sincerely doubt it can fly.
구워주신다 뭐
Gah! You know what? I can't wait to get back to my real body so that we can get divorced.
Oh, me too.
May, what now?
I guess it's time to kill some wasps.
What? Alone?
Don't worry, we've got weapons.
You mean these homemade squirrel DIY drill bazzer tap shikey things?
You saw how powerful they are. Let's drill, Baz.
시시원하와시원. 오케이.
A target, huh?
Nhập luôn hồn á.
Ah. It goes.
What you're listening to is another one of my latest hazelnut tech creations. You'll find them at key strategic points throughout the tree.
빙을
What's that hanging there?
Down we go.
Ama spillik kişi-kişinden.
Sure.
Hapstrikey and Drill Bazza match guns are potent alone, but when combined, they are a lethal combo. Try igniting the sap.
Sıkaptağa çıktı.
Ah.
Gosh, those squirrels weren't kidding.
Yeah. This is a war zone.
Underngon elektrikeringen. Någon skjuter.
Look, Cody. Shooting targets. Let's practice.
Ja.
Ron.
Ah.
Oh.
Well done. Now, go give
Woo!
the up the warm welcome.
Tingin na ako. Ah.
Wow.
No.
This is impressive.
I'm getting spooky vibes from this place. Can we please turn back?
I'm afraid that won't be possible. See the doors behind you to protect against the wasps. Your only way out is through the wasp's
No.
lair over there, on the other side of the
Ah.
abyss.
Ano?
This one's ready.
Mình vì đầu chung để dùng chung ngủ.
Hết chục.
Đó.
Cái công an nhóc mà vừa ấy. À.
Đừng mới ngủ nữa. 어딨어?
À. Ừ.
Sắc bọc rồi.
It's sapped up.
Giờ.
Up we go.
Nice. Progress.
Âm bài. Sen se on paus. On se.
Sure.
Otan. Wow, nasa connect nila. Java. Đâu nó nhọc xin.
Mắc hạt cái đâu mà con.
À, rồi. Nó được rồi.
Darn, the sap isn't sticking.
Looks like squirrel tack isn't foolproof.
자주가 박샵.
À.
Yakbit?
Up.
Ikakuin na?
Up. Ayun ko lang.
Ayoko sakay. Some reason. But the maximum.
Uh-huh.
True.
Well, this got interesting.
They're experimenting on an acorn. They really are nuts.
Look at those Tesla coils. These squirrels seem far more capable than I thought.
I see you've happened upon my old facilities. There's really nothing to see. And yes, those barbaric wasps could never understand the
어디가 박사시다.
technology.
Namun.
슈퍼. Dami. Ako siya ang apanan.
Wah.
Medyo. Tama, yun na.
Ayun siya kumaka.
Mukakasyo. Yung... Rest. Masarap patang giliw mo si Jojo.
True.
Una ako just sak. Ada kakasok ko.
Do not push the red button.
Start. Unang bisa saka. Do not push the button. Start. Dax!
Tawang
Ano wala dito doon this?
Hey, I
Una.
wonder what these buttons do. Wrong button.
Una, tako. Ayun na. Ay.
Oh.
Una niya to.
I'm not gonna let you forget that one.
Lighten up. You look fine. Kinda.
I see you found our nut bath and sauna machine. Painted pencils, of course. We haven't worked out all the kinks in it yet.
Tako po, yoksi mawakatan. Dito. Apa ping mawakasukun. No.
Huh. This lid doesn't look so stable. Hang on, those are interesting calculations.
Pang pang pang pang pang pang pang pang pang pang. Ungak ka na?
Maybe another surface will work better.
Kuwa sinanita pero ito kasi tamakakot. So
Looks like something was kept in here.
Yeah, something big. Whatever it was, it's gone now.
This one's ready.
Taxi. Taxi. Taxi. Lang din.
Something's coming.
Killer wasps.
Çok şurada sen.
Give me a match here.
Ooh, we got one.
Oh, mopping.
I think that's the last of them.
Onu 주셨어? 먹지군. 그런 역시 떡은 너무입니다. 내가 생각 안 했댔어? Ayun 오늘 reaksjon kan man kan reaksjon til. Pinimira reaksjon var med.
Fire it up, May.
Đó. 뭐? 그건가?
Ongak ka reaksjon til. 먹지 못하면 따먹긴 해서 타. Intro trick. Intro trick.
Hey, May. I think there's a bridge here.
Let's knock it down then.
Nga gusto mo si Naksin daw. Ako si siyo sa reaksyon. Inakda. Kaya baka natokos siya. 민규씨가 너무 부럽다 너. 남비셨어가 늦다고. 트릭 안 찌움. 늦다고.
I'm not messing around here.
기복제 컨트롤이라.
Down the drain, Cody.
기복제 말고.
No fair. I'm barefoot. Your shoes have better grip.
빙건 누구야 빙이?
Hey, it's our football.
And you thought I threw it out?
Yeah, sorry about that. Rose and I used to play with it all the time.
Just another thing the squirrels have taken from us.
None.
Man, my legs hurt.
My feet hurt.
When we get out of this mess, I'm having a cold beer.
I'm having two.
What if we're stuck here? You know, stuck like this.
You don't know that. We'll get to Rose and break the spell.
Yeah, what if we never get to her?
Please stop
Springer
talking
sindakel.
and keep running.
Driving those mine carts. Where did these tracks even go?
저거 spillero요.
Sure.
Yep.
Are they transporting nuts?
Oh no! When are
벌써
these
가면
tracks
무섭다.
gonna end? No, please and so.
저거 동안 약삭 저거요.
셋.
슈다고 고와.
쭉.
와우.
The boat. Spin down to where it is, but be on your guard. We've never made it past this point. Once inside, you will be on your own. May the acorn be with you.
Number 7. 나 어쩌면 이거 뭐 떡비상으로 나시 뭐 swing swing swing 뭔가는 맞다. 에이, sorry. 박사킹아. Michelle. Rest. Sorry. Hey.
Where'd you go?
Nest. Apa siya mako? Ay.
야,
This one looks tougher than the others.
나온 거 같노? 나 말했나? 에이. 아?
맞아.
아이.
Cody, it's trackers and armor. Shoot him in the
아이.
Holy shit.
또. 그만 마사지로 하나?
Miss Tuần. Đồ tông tông hoặc sơn đến tần.
자.
Kawit diakta kata ba may wish of good. Isiste. Ay. Ammo niya.
My shield will not shatter.
있지.
Ay. Up. Ano kami na eh.
오.
Wakari. Kisham.
Did we get it?
Yeah, looks like it. Let's get through that vault.
Ipasyak na ba siya sa tirata na ba siya ko?
Soldiers, the security system has detected 2 intruders. Why haven't you eliminated them?
We are searching for them, Supreme Wasp Queen.
Search harder. Bring them to me. Dead or alive.
Yes, Supreme Wasp Queen.
That is one scary queen.
Don't worry. It's just a squirrel inside a robot.
Yeah, a very big robot. It's trying to kill us. You know, maybe we should just turn back.
Are you chickening out?
No. We were just, exploring the,
Premises.
Right.
I think you look scared, like 2 little chickens.
No, not at all. We were just scouting, preparing for the mission.
Yeah, right. Preparation is key.
Good, but remember, collaboration is also key. This is a very dangerous operation.
Thanks for reminding us.
You're welcome, eh? Hey, got it!
You done?
No.
That book is really annoying.
Dr. Sakuta.
So.
To be continued.
나.
Naginog. Bakso. Ay. Yep. Agad ang Back me! Saan sudah mau minta cikuru po? Mario Kart show?
Ja.
Och jag också smanko på också är vad det Sigartine. Det vet jag. Du nåt. One. Hey.